Question: what are the additional powers conferred to the local Board of Assessment Appeals? Answer: in the exercise of its appellate jurisdiction, the Board shall have the power to summon witnesses, administer oaths, conduct ocular inspection, take depositions, and issue subpoena and subpoena duces tecum. Question: when can appeal to the local Board of Assessment Appeals be disposed of? Answer: an exception to the rule on exhaustion of administrative remedies is where the controversy does not involve questions of fact but only of law. Under Section 229 of the Local Government Code, the proceedings of the Board shall be conducted solely for the purpose of ascertaining the facts. It follows that appeals to the local Board of Assessment Appeals may be fruitful only where questions of fact are involved. Question: may a motion for reconsideration be filed? Answer: no. The procedure does not permit the property owner the remedy of filing a motion for reconsideration before the local assessor. Question: what is the remedy for contesting the decision of the local Board of Assessment Appeals? Answer: appeal to the Central Board of Assessment Appeals. Appeal to the Central Board of Assessment Appeals or CBAA. Question: who may appeal to the Central Board of Assessment Appeals? Answer: the owner of the property or the person having legal interest therein or the assessor who is not satisfied with the decision of the local Board of Assessment Appeals. Question: what is the period for filing an appeal to the Central Board of Assessment Appeals? Answer: within 30 days after receipt of the decision of the local Board of Assessment Appeals. Question: what is the period for the Central Board of Assessment Appeals to decide the appeal? Answer: the Central Board of Assessment Appeals shall decide cases on appeal within 12 months from the date of receipt thereof, which shall become final and executory 15 days after receipt thereof by the appellant or appellee, as the case may be. Effect of payment of taxes. Question: what is the effect of appeal on the payment of realty taxes? Answer: appeal shall, in no case, suspend the collection of the corresponding realty taxes on the property involved as assessed by the provincial or city assessor, without prejudice to subsequent adjustment depending upon the final outcome of the appeal. Compromising real property tax assessment. Question: when may real property tax be condoned or reduced by the Sanggunian? Answer: the Sanggunian concerned, by ordinance passed prior to the first day of January of any year end, upon recommendation of the local Disaster Coordinating Council, may condone or reduce, wholly or partially, the taxes and interest thereon for the succeeding year or years in the city or municipality affected by the following: a general failure of crops or substantial decrease in the price of agricultural or agri-based products, or calamity in any province, city, or municipality. Question: when may real property tax be condoned or reduced by the President? Answer: the President of the Philippines may, when public interest so requires, condone or reduce the real property tax and interest for any year in any province or city or a municipality within the Metropolitan Manila area,